In today's video, we will see, does the Samsung Galaxy A36, A56, and 26 support FM radio? A built-in FM tuner explained. So, the Samsung Galaxy A36, 5G, A56, and A26 do not support native offline FM radio. These devices do not include the dedicated FM radio hardware required to receive over-the-air radio broadcast. So you cannot listen to a local FM station without any internal connection. Why FM radio is not available? No built-in FM receiver. Samsung did not include a FM radio chip in these models. Without this hardware, the phone cannot turn into a traditional FM radio frequencies. No headphone jack antenna support. Traditional smartphone FM radio typically use wired headphone connected through a 3.5 mm headphone jack as an antenna. Since the Galaxy A36, 56, and 226 rarely on USB-C and wireless audio connection, they do not support these FM radio support. How to listen to a radio instead? If you want to listen to a radio stationary on these devices, you will need an internet connection through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Use radio streaming app. To download radio streaming app from the Google App Play Store or Galaxy Store such as Tunnel Radio, iHeartRadio, Audios Radio, and local broadcasts app. So keep data use in mind. Unlike traditional FM radio, streaming radio apps use internet data. If you are not connecting to Wi-Fi, listen for extended periods may consume part of your mobile data allowance. Goodbye and thanks for watching.